This is Dr. A. Sadiqul Amin, Assistant Professor of English, the New College, Chennai. Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity. What an effective FTP on IC tools. Every day was special, every day one tool. Oh my god, unbelievable journey. 1 week journey. It is an eye opener for me to use tools like Edmodo, Google Forms, Google Classroom, and Testmos. I'm very happy. I really proud to say that I have learned all these tools. I know how to use it. The presentations were very effective. Finally, you can say that I'm waiting for the next program like this from your esteemed university. Thank you very much.
Myself, Dr. Dilip Kumar Rathod, Assistant Professor in Botany, Government College, Bundi, Rajasthan. I think this FDP was very informative and organized such a very good manner by the organizers. I would like to thank Dr. Reddy, Dr. Rupali. Both of worked very hard, and question and answer session is very informative, and I think about 3000 participants are involved in this FDP and replied every questions is very impossible, and both of you did it. Thank you very much and congratulations both of you and Vice Chancellor Sir of Nanded University. You have organized very good FDP. You prepared assignments, presentations, and given home assignments to us. Those are very informative. Thank you very much and best wishes for all of them. Thank you very much.
Hi friends, a very good evening. Greetings to one and all. I am Dr. Pratibha Kumar from Government Mahakaushal Arts and Commerce College, Jabalpur. And at the outset, I would like to congratulate the Vice Chancellor of Nanded University and the organizers, Dr. Surendra Reddy and Dr. Rupali Jain, having been organized such a productive faculty development program, and which I think is mind-boggling for me. First of all, the title, the caption of the program was so catchy that I instantly took to join for it. And because a number of times I think that I am myself challenged in this particular skill of ICT. About the layout and the design of the program, it is very, very meticulously planned. There was no confusion at all whether what, which, when the classes would be held. The dates, the time, the links, everything was ready for us for the next day. And in fact, I was so full of enthusiasm to learn this that every day when I got up in the morning, I speedily finished up my breakfast and wanted to sit at the computer and see what was coming up next. I distinctly feel that it has a very, very clear approach. The full spirited endeavor of Dr. Surendra Reddy and Rupali Jain Madam needs to be applauded and reiterated many, many times. In fact, I was quite unaware of the different apps like Edmodo, Google Forms, how to fill these forms. And I always felt the Google Forms and Edmodo, Testmos, and such kind of apps. But I was only aware, in fact, about the MS Office, I think, which is the need of the hour, where the only Word and Excel part I knew, and the rest of the parts I thought I would never be able to do in my life. But with such an ease and perfection, the lectures were delivered, that it not only has, I will never forget them, but it has been embedded into my mind, I think, forever, and it will be never washed out. Thank you so much. And in the end, I would promise the organizers that I would be trailing this program further to attain the objective and aim and motto of the program by sharing it with my colleagues. And in the end, I would like to say that gratitude is like that wrapped gift, which, if not unwrapped or not needs to be presented, it has to be open, and then it has some use. So thank you so much. A big thank you to the organizers once again. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.
नमस्कार, जय हिंद। मैं डॉक्टर प्रभाकर तानाजी माने, जयसिंहपुर कॉलेज जयसिंहपुर, तहसील शिरोर, जिला कोल्हापुर। हमारा कॉलेज शिवाजी विश्वविद्यालय से संलग्नित है। स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाड़ा विश्वविद्यालय ने जो 27 तारीख से लेके 2 तारीख तक, 2 मई तक उन्होंने जो ऑनलाइन एफडीपी का प्रोग्राम का आयोजन किया था, उसका मैं तहे दिल से अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूं। 27 तारीख को वाइस चांसलर आदरणीय डॉक्टर उद्धव जी भोसले सर जी ने जो इनॉग्रेशन स्पीच उन्होंने जो दिया था, वो इतना बढ़िया था, इतना हमें प्रेरित करने वाला था। उसी दिन से उसी समय ही मैंने ये ठान ली कि इस विश्वविद्यालय का जो प्रोग्राम होगा, सही मायने से वर्क फ्रॉम होम के लिए जो 100% हमारी जो इच्छा है, हमें जो लगता है वो सही होगा। और उसी समय से 27 तारीख के बाद 27 तारीख के जो पहला प्रोग्राम हुआ, आदरणीय कोऑर्डिनेटर श्री डॉक्टर सुरेंद्रनाथ रेड्डी सर जी ने उन्होंने जो शुरुआत की, वो इतनी बढ़िया थी, क्योंकि 27 तारीख को उन्होंने गूगल फॉर्म का आयोजन किया था। 28 तारीख को उन्होंने गूगल क्लासरूम, 29 तारीख को उन्होंने जो इडमोडो जो आईसीटी का प्रोग्राम था, उसका आयोजन अच्छा किया था। उसके बाद उन्होंने टेस्टमोस बनाया था, और 1 मई को उन्होंने जो बढ़िया ढंग से, यानी कि हाउ टू जनरेट सर्टिफिकेट, वो जो उन्होंने जो सारी बातें उन्होंने बताई थी, वो बहुत ही बढ़िया लगी। मुझे यहाँ पे ये कहना है कि जो आदरणीय डॉक्टर रूपाली जैन मैडम जो है, उन्होंने और सर जी ने, रेड्डी सर जी ने जो पीपीटी बनाई थी, या तो स्क्रीनशॉट उन्होंने बनाया था, वो इतना जानकारी पूर्ण, ज्ञान पूर्ण था। मैं सत्य मान लेता हूँ कि मुझे ये आईसीटी का एक 40-30% सिर्फ जानकारी थी, लेकिन एक कोर्स करने के पश्चात मुझे ये प्रतीत हुआ कि मैं तकरीबन 90% तक आ पहुंचा हूं। और इसका पूरा श्रेय आदरणीय उनके वाइस चांसलर डॉक्टर सुरेंद्रनाथ रेड्डी सर जी और आदरणीय डॉक्टर रूपाली जैन मैडम और उनकी पूरी टीम को देना चाहता हूं। और इस दरम्यान जो दोपहर 4 से लेकर 6 तक जो क्वेश्चन आंसरिंग का जो सत्र शुरू था, उस सत्र के अंदर उन्होंने जो प्रत्याशी जो प्रश्न पूछते थे, उनको 100% उनका आंसर, उनका जवाब उन्होंने अच्छी तरह दिया। कहीं पर भी हम पैनिक नहीं हुए, ये अच्छी बात है। और ये सबका नियोजन, आयोजन, प्रबंधन गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा के लिए ही था। और उनका जो मोटो था कि उच्च शिक्षा और वर्क फ्रॉम होम की तरह उनको देना था वो 100% वो पूरा हो गया। और मैं यहाँ पे एक सही बात भी एक सुझाव देना चाहता हूँ कि इसमें तकरीबन 2000 से ज्यादा प्रत्याशित टीचर थे, लेकिन कुछ टीचर किस प्रकार के पता नहीं। लेकिन मुझे सुझाव ये है कि आप उसमें कुछ टीचरों के यानी कि अटेंडेंस की भी कोई व्यवस्था करनी आपको अगले जो आप कार्यक्रम का आयोजन करेंगे उसमें होना चाहिए, मेरा यही है। और मैं फिर से डॉक्टर प्रभाकर माने आपसे मैं एक विनती करना चाहता हूँ कि आपने इस प्रोग्राम का जो आयोजन किया है बहुत अच्छा है। आगे जाकर भी आप इसी प्रकार का प्रोग्राम का आयोजन करें और हमें उसमें सम्मिलित कर लीजिए। मैं आपके विश्वविद्यालय रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाड़ा विश्वविद्यालय आपके आदरणीय भोसले सर जी और सुरेंद्रनाथ रेड्डी सर जी, रूपाली जैन मैडम और अपनी पूरी टीम को मैं धन्यवाद मानता हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे बहुत ही खुशी मना रहा हूँ। धन्यवाद। जय।
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abdul Samad Faruqi, Dean Academics and HOD Department of Management Science, Radha Mahavidyalaya, Aurangabad. First of all, I appreciate to Dr. Reddy sir and Jain madam for this excellent FDP program organized by Swami Ramanand Tirath Marathwada University, Nanded. I learned lot of things in very short duration and will surely implement this in our institute for encouraging e-learning methods for students and enhancing quality education for all. Congrats to you and your team for organizing such a great program. Thank you so much for this training session. I really enjoyed it. This is quite refreshing. I also wish to extend my thanks to Swami Ramanand Tirath Marathwada University for undertaking such a marvelous event.
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर भाऊ साहब नवले, कला विज्ञान एवं वाणिज्य महाविद्यालय कोलार, अहमदनगर, महाराष्ट्र से स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाड़ा विश्वविद्यालय नांदेड़ द्वारा आयोजित यूज़ ऑफ ICT टूल्स इन टीचिंग लर्निंग इस विषय पर जो फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम का आयोजन किया गया है, मैं समझता हूँ कि ये आयोजन निश्चित ही प्रासंगिक और समय सापेक्षी है। यह आयोजन की जो अध्यापकों की जो समय तथा विद्यार्थियों की जो मांग है उसके अनुरूप निश्चित ही आयोजन सार्थक रहा है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। मैं इस विश्वविद्यालय के कुलपति डॉक्टर उद्धव भोसले जी तथा इस कोर्स के समन्वयक डॉक्टर सुरेंद्रनाथ रेड्डी जी तथा डॉक्टर रूपाली जैन मैडम, मैं आपको मनस्वी धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं कि आपने इस नए और मौलिक विषय पर फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम का आयोजन किया। धन्यवाद।
Hello, myself Dr. Hema Makne. I am Assistant Professor and Head Department of Zoology, B. Raghunath College, Parbhani. Today it's my immense pleasure to give a feedback on 1 week FDP on the ICT tools for effective teaching and learning. During this lockdown period, our university, that is Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, organized such a informative and useful FDP for all the faculty members. So first, I congratulate to all the team members for such a wonderful organization of the FDP. I am very much thankful to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of the University, Honorable Uddhavji Bhosle sir, for giving us opportunity to participate in such a FDP program. During this FDP, we have learned a lot on what are the different apps or tools are there which we can be used in our day-to-day life for our effective teaching. So in this conduction of this FDP, the course coordinator Dr. Surendra Reddy sir and Dr. Rupali Jain madam, the both are explained us in a very simple and in a very effective manner, so we all understand what are the different tools. For example, what are the Google Form, how we can create a Google Classroom, what is Edmodo class, and lots of so I am very much thankful because this is an very much important task to use the ICT in our teaching, and this is the era that we all must use this tool. So once again, I congratulate to all the people who are involved in this FDP, and I hope in the future also this university will organize such FDP. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Professor Ashok Mujjandi, Saraswati Institute of Pharmacy, Kurtadi, District Hingoli. I take this opportunity to give a sincere feedback towards online FDP on ICT tools for effective teaching learning, organized by SRTMU Nanded from 27th April to 2nd May. First of all, I thanks to Vice Chancellor of SRTMU and convener of this FDP and coordinators of this FDP for organizing such a wonderful session on right time during the Corona lockdown period. From this FDP, personally I learned many ICT tools such as creation of Google Forms, creation of Google Form for quizzes, and more interesting is creation of certificates for the quizzes. Meanwhile, the Edmodo and Google Classroom tools are also much interesting. I give a special thanks to Dr. Surendranath Reddy sir and Dr. Rupali Jain madam for solving all the queries during the question answer session. I really hats off these two resource persons. I think all the participants get enjoyed and benefited this FDP. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sayyid Ali, Assistant Professor, Hutatma Jayawantrao Patil Mahavidyalaya, Himayatnagar. First of all, I congratulate SRTMUN, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Uddhavji Bhosle sir, Dr. Reddy sir and Dr. Jain madam for choosing very important and very useful topic of this FDP workshop. As we know that recently in UGC guideline, it is clearly mentioned that now onwards there should be 30% teaching online mode and 70% offline mode. For this, we should all aware the ICT tools, and this workshop have trained us very perfectly how to use these ICT tools to train the students by online. And we promise here that we will definitely now onwards we will use these tools to train our students by online methods. We already started also. I'm already familiar with the teaching of Dr. Reddy sir and Dr. Jain madam. No doubt they are excellent teachers. They are very famous within the students of mathematics also. During this period, I often communicate with Dr. Jain madam and Dr. Reddy sir, and I come to know that they are taking a lot of efforts for this workshop. They were working till 2 a.m. in the night also. Though they have a small kid, Hardik, who is very naughty also, but despite of that thing also, they were working very hard. And I really congratulate to them. Without having any personal interest or any financial assistance, they worked very hard. Whatever the study material, PPT they have provided, video lectures, it was very useful, very simple to understand and very original things they have created for this workshop only. Again, there were every day there were 4 to 6 group discussion were there. We can imagine that how much it is difficult to read the near about 3,000 participants' messages and replying to them. It is not easy task. They did unbelievable work. I really congratulate and thanks to their efforts, and we all the participants give our thanks to them, and in future also we like to have such program which will be very useful for not only the teachers, for the students also. Thank you sir, thank you madam.
A very good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Dr. Dinesh Bakkad from SPDM Arts, Commerce, Science College, Shivpur, District Dhule. Today I am here to express my vote of thanks or give some feedback for this 1 week online faculty development program on ICT tools for effective teaching and learning organized by Swami Ramanand Tirth, Marathwada University, Nanded, School of Management, Mathematical Science. So as we remember, on the first day, on 27th April 2020, our resource person and program coordinator, Dr. Reddy sir, has very effectively explained Google Form with video and PPT. On the same day, again, Dr. Reddy sir explain us Google Forms and Google Quiz and with PPT also. Next day, we understood Google Classroom, very well explained by Dr. Rupali madam by his effective video lecture and PPT. On the third day, we have learned Emodo software, how to create class, very well explained by Dr. Rupali madam through his video and PPT. Next day, on 30th April, we understood how to conduct a test explained by Dr. Reddy sir through TestMoose application, video and PPT. On the last day, yesterday, we have understood how to create certificate while conducting quiz. Again, Dr. Reddy sir explained by his video presentation and PPT. Last day, today, we have submitted our home assignment by Google Form and give feedback also here on this link. How can I forget that every day our resource person, Dr. Reddy sir, our program coordinator and co-coordinator, Dr. Rupali madam, has very well conducted a session on question and answer. Last but not least, I am thankful for the organizer for giving this opportunity. Also, Vice Chancellor sir, Co-Vice Chancellor sir, Registrar sir, all School of Mathematical Science Department for fruitful conducting of this faculty development program. Thank you.
Dr. Vikrant Upadhyay, Assistant Professor, Department of Teachers Training, Das College, Badaयूं, affiliated to MJP University, Bareilly. I am highly thankful to Reddy sir and Rupali ma'am to provide the very good classes on Google Quiz, Google Classroom, Google Forms, Testimojo, Edomodo, and they provided the lectures through in a very lucrative way, which is very fruitful for a person, amateur like me, to understand how to use ICT tools for effective learning. Day-wise assignment and homework, day-wise PPT presentation, and both of them were very helpful to me. On telephone, I seeked help at least twice daily with both of them, and they provided me the point-to-point support. I am again very thankful which FDP I joined. I learned much from it, and I will use it. Definitely I will use it with my class, with my students in my college, and I hope they will provide me the help in future in case of any difficulty faced by me and the persons. Again, I am thankful to both of you, your university, to organize such a beautiful course to enhance the capacity of the teacher and faculties. Thank you very much.
हेलो नमस्कार सर, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर आशीष कुमार गुप्ता, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर पॉलिटिकल साइंस, नेहरू मेमोरियल शिव नारायण दास पीजी कॉलेज बदायूं। आपके यहाँ जो अभी एफडीपी का आयोजन किया गया है आईसीटी टूल्स पर, ये इसकी जानकारी मुझे आपके विश्वविद्यालय से डॉक्टर प्रमोद जी के माध्यम से प्राप्त हुई। उनका मैं बहुत तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन्होंने इतने अच्छे प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर काम करने का मौका मुझे प्रदान किया, और स्पेशली रेड्डी सर का, जिन्होंने इतने सरल तरीके से इस आईसीटी टूल्स के बारे में हमें समझाया। वो एक जो एनर्जी उनकी थी, जिस तरीके से समझा रहे थे, हम बिल्कुल उसके बारे में अनभिज्ञ होने के बावजूद भी हमें बहुत आसानी के साथ वो चीज़ें समझ में आ रही थी। और थैंक्स टू रूपाली मैम के रूपाली मैम ने भी जो चीज़ें हमें समझाई है वो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आ रही थी। और वीडियो आपके जो थे वो बहुत ही प्रेरणादायक थे। बिल्कुल उनको देख करके कहीं पर भी डाउट जो हो रहा था तो वीडियो देख करके डाउट्स भी क्लियर होते चले जा रहे थे। तो अगेन थैंक्स रेड्डी सर, थैंक्स रूपाली मैम, एंड वेरी वेरी थैंक्स टू डॉक्टर प्रमोद सर। थैंक यू।
Hello, this is Dr. Manmohan Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science, JS Hindu PG College, Amroha, Uttar Pradesh. Here I am to give my feedback about 1 week FDP on ICT tools for effective teaching learning conducted under the kind supervision and control of Dr. Reddy sir and Dr. Rupali ma'am. So far as my opinion is concerned, I think the program was wonderful, useful and relevant enough, particularly in the present scenario. The expertise of Dr. Reddy sir and Dr. Rupali ma'am over there and the command over their subject, the way they presented themselves really impressed me. It really impressed me a lot. It was not easy to entertain a bulk of 3,000 participants on such a platform. Dr. Reddy sir and Dr. Rupali ma'am entertained almost all the relevant queries of 3,000 participants over here. They did their best. They were kind enough to entertain all such queries. Their guidance, their expertise, and the way they controlled the program is really appreciable. I am highly thankful to Dr. Reddy sir and Dr. Ali ma'am for conducting such a wonderful program. They left no stone unturned in making the program a grand success. It was their efforts that made even the novice like me to learn a lot about the modern techniques and the modern methods of or the innovative methods of teaching in present scenario. It would be possible for because of their kind help and kind support and their kind expertise that now I learned a lot about these modern techniques. And here I would like to mention that I'm sure that these techniques will help me a lot in improving my teaching methods, in improving my total teaching, and even the students will get new things with the way I would like to present over my teaching. It was really a wonderful program. It served the purpose of innovations. The program, I think, was quite innovative over here so far as audio video aids are concerned. They really made our teaching innovative, particularly in present scenario. Here I render my sincere thanks to Dr. Reddy sir and Dr. Rupali ma'am, whose efforts made us learn a lot about these ICT tools. They would really improve our teaching, I'm sure. I would also like to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor SRTMU, who let the organizers organize such a wonderful program, and I hope they would keep their efforts on in near future also. Dr. Reddy sir and Dr. Kali ma'am, I would like to request you to inaugurate such a program in near future also, particularly for the candidates who could not be a participant of such a wonderful program. I really thank from the core of my heart to both of you, Dr. Reddy sir and Dr. Rupali ma'am. Here, I would like to render my sincere thanks to my friend Dr. Ashish Kumar Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science, Das College, Badaiyun, because it was he who informed me about this FDP. It was he whose kind help and support made it possible for me to be a participant of such a wonderful program. It was really a wonderful experience. Thank you all for conducting such a wonderful program. Thank you very much.
Hi, I am Dr. Sheikh Irfan from Jatin College, Jalgaon. It is my pleasure to give feedback on 1 week FDP on ICT tools and effective teaching learning, organized by Swami Ramanand Tirth, Marathwada University, Nanded, scheduled on 27/4/2020 to 2/5/2020. First of all, I am thankful to convener Dr. D.D. Pawar sir and program coordinators and content developers Dr. Surendranath Reddy sir and Dr. Rupali Jain madam to organize this emerging topic with very fine manner. Their kind support. I have learned very much from this FDP like Google Forms, creating Google Classroom, Edmodo, TestMoz and Certify M to generate certificates. I am also grateful to Dr. Uddhav V. Bhosle sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, SRTM University, Nanded, for giving opportunity to learn from this FDP. Thank you very much.
Hello, good noon to one and all. I am Dr. Mallikarjun Karasgi from Srimati Sushila Devi Deshmukh Senior College, Latur. I am here to share my experience in the form of feedback on the FDP program on ICT tools organized by our parent university, Swami Ramanand Tirth, Marathwada University, Nanded. First, I would like to congratulate Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Uddhavji Bhosle sir, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Principal Dr. Jogendra Singh Bisenji, the resource person of this FDP program, Dr. Reddy sir, Dr. Rupali ma'am, and the whole team of this parent university, who have taken so many efforts in organizing this FDP program. Friends, before joining this FDP program, I was totally unknown to all these ICT tools. I don't know what is Google Form, TestMoz, Edmodo. These were unknown to me. I even don't know how to create a Google form, how to add, remove the questions, how to create certificates. These were all unknown to me. And after completing this ICT program, I come to know that as a teacher, I should have learnt it and used it earlier. But I am very fortunate to this university and all the members of this team who have taken their efforts in successfully organizing this FDP program. So I take this opportunity to request to all the team members, will you please organize such FDP for our upgradation of our skills. So it is my humble request to all the respected dignitaries to conduct one more FDP. With these few words, I would like to conclude. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Hello, this is Professor Yuvraj Katu from Shivlingeshwar College of Pharmacy, Almala, Taluka Ausa, District Latur. I would like to share my experience on FDP program, the online FDP program organized by Swami Ramanand Tirth, Marathwada University, Nanded. First, I take this privilege to congratulate Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Uddhavji Bhosle sir, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Bisen sir, and resource person of this FDP program. The resource person of this FDP program Dr. Reddy sir and Dr. Rupali ma'am and his whole team of university. The whole team of the university put the best efforts for this program. Before taking this program, I was totally unknown to all these things, but some tools are known. This involves such as the Google Form as well as the Google Classroom. Already these techniques or the tools used for the students in lockdown duration in our institute. I am very much thankful for the team, such a wonderful program which has proved very useful and furnished our skill and provide us with a new and convenient tools for better approach towards the teaching and learning process. I am very much thankful on the behalf of my institute. Thank you.
Hello sir, myself Kendre Triambak Uttam Rao, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Rosniwal ACS College, Sengaon. Sir, first of all, I would like to congratulate both of you, Dr. Reddy sir and Dr. Jain ma'am, for the grand success organization of 1 week faculty development program on ICT tools. In this crucial time period, our SRT University organizes such a nice and a very useful FDP program on ICT tool is a great thing. This FDP acts as a bridge between the teachers who are quite unknown about utilization of ICT tools and the ICT teaching methodologies. This workshop no doubt will help all the participants about how to conduct online teaching classes and improve our skills to conduct online teaching classes. As upcoming year, we must have to adopt all these soft skills in us. So this FDP is a very good, creates a good platform for all these aspects. So once again, I would like to congratulate all the team of organization and our VC sir for granting the permission within a few days, and I feel very lucky to be a part of this FDP as a participant. Thank you sir, once again heartiest congrats. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. It's my pleasure to present the vote of thanks of giving the feedback on this 1 week faculty development program which was organized by the Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathawada University. This is Dr. Nandini from Rani Chennamma University, Department of Criminology and Criminal Justice. So it was really a great pleasure to participate in this 1 week online faculty development program. On my personal behalf and all the participants, I take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Vice Chancellor of the University and the organizers for Surendranath sir and Rupali ma'am for giving us such insights, inputs during this 1 week program. To start with the feedback right from the registration point of view. From the registration point, as soon as we got registered, they guided us on how to download the app and also to follow the link. Though the link was not available to many of us, the organizers themselves sent us the link and made us approach the site. Apart from that, starting from the day one, it was the formation of the Google Form session. These Google Forms, many of us knew the only basics of it, but later on during this program, we learned the add-ons of the Google Form, how to make the quiz forms through the Google and many of those apps which were available on the Google Form maps. The second day, it was the creation of the Google Classroom. which was in fact a need of the hour. Staying at home, many of our teachers were worried, and the students themselves, how to cover the syllabus and going through. And this was the great opportunity to all of us to have this Google Classroom. This Google Classroom creating had helped us a lot to create the classroom and complete the syllabus in such cases. Not only this, it will help in the future also. The third day was Edmodo learning teaching methods. It was really a new to us. None of us, I think many of us didn't knew about this app, that is the Edmodo learning management systems. And this, and not only that, that also they helped us, this Edmodo system helped us to creating the classroom also and making the forms. So this Edmodo also is very helpful for the teaching and learning process. The fourth day was the online quiz strength, that was through TestMoz. So TestMoz also many of us don't know about it, but through TestMoz we also tried out it and sent to many of the students to participate in this TestMoz quizzing app. And also it will be very helpful for us in the future days. And last was the creation of the certificate, and this certificate creation is very important. Many of us, apart from the academics, we also need some techniques and skills of DTP work and all, which this TestMoz or the creation of
Hi, I am Dr. Prashant Kumar from Adarsh College Hingoli. Here I am giving feedback on FDP, on ICT tools used for effective teaching and learning, organized by Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded, during 27th April to 2nd May 2020. All the sessions of this FDP were excellent. The way of presentation, the updated information, and the discussion session is also very excellent. Now the teachers are learn number of things from this FDP, how to use the ICT tools such as Google Forms, Quizzes, Google Classroom, Edmodo, the TestMoz and Certify-em. These aspects we learn in a very clear manner. The resource person having a very good skill to retain the participants and to stimulate their interest in the use of ICT. Now we found that the updated information is very good for us. I thank all the organizers, including Vice Chancellor of Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded, organizers Dr. Surendranath Reddy sir and Dr. Rupali Jain madam for providing us very creative, informative knowledge in this regards. Thank you very much.